Oko, man tell you a few times to come like this, you know will get work. You understand? You know will get work like this. And if they want her about the person who go collect the work from you, sit down, make I explain and give you this video. I will tell you who go collect the work from you. You go sit down for hours. You understand? So my name is Mr. Leinad. For this channel, we talk about tech. You understand? We not the like sugar, we not the like the romance, we talk about tech in pidgin English. We make the day very raw to you so that me understand what tech mean. And we try to talk about any new innovation. You understand? Anything new they call us, we just tell you, we explain and give for pidgin so that you go know. Tech now be the new year money for inside this word on this one. So now, what will be the topic of today? Be say recently now, I know that man, the man we get money pass of the world. You understand? Elon Musk, he don't produce one car robot. You understand? The robot. Many robot, but this one I want to talk about this one first. Get one I will talk about. Also, when they do fly. You go collect your wife, go collect your husband for you. I will talk about them. I will tell them how they work. So, but this one now, this robot this robot daytime like this. Those of them where they do this work, I know if you collect this work, it's too small. This robot, he go do the work for you. This robot go clean house. He go mop the house. You understand? He go cook for you. He go do everything for you. But me and you, they wonder, say, where this whole they go. You should say, hey, in the future, we go get anything to do. You understand? Oh, they wonder about the way solution for so problem still follow. So, you understand? So what did they happen? We say, me and the wonder, say, you know, sure, say, the way we say our boys don't agree, they work for this country again. They say me you can't let work, you know they agree. They say me you do this one, you know they agree. Some of them I tell you, okay, you want me you pay you a salary of 1 million naira. Okay, they pay salary, what will be your qualification? You not get, you understand? Say you not get. So on they just they do like that. So I call it wonder. People like say this robot where they happen. So people like say I will talk about them more so that me people will get money, people they get restaurants, you understand? When they look for people they do hotel, you understand? They go they use them. Even security, they go they use them. That time when they talk say if hotel use the robot, they say I know me they carry drink from outside enter. The robot no need to search your pocket. As you they call it, don't scan you. He don't see you. He don't see everything where you carry from inside. They see everything. When you see something, you will know say you carry drink. Go tell you so you know if you enter. So this one go more beneficial to all those people. By the time they're done, all these security people. They go not come off for work. They not get work again. They will go as go sit down. Now, more talk about cook. This is a Luma called you call a cook. You say now, no do. Then all those recession maybe say I go they very rude. And I go they talk any and they call and I go now that one I go they fall. And they go come and go bring something on. You go just see robot. Robot test in that 3 seconds. I'm there. Don't reach your room. You understand? Don't reach there. Don't service you. Don't give you your food. Don't give you everything. So man, I tell you, like say hey, hotel, and I need to look into this aspect of this business, you understand? Even restaurants, you understand? All those restaurants will be like that too. But I know say the part when I even made they even collect parts now, all those schools, you understand? All those teachers they flog our children everywhere. So, but in the sense that you know, say as robot go cause more damage to our economy, that's why we go still repair our brain. It go make us now know say we need to use our brain to know how to repair robot, to know how to the service the robot. You understand? So you must be useful with your own self. So that you go fit shop tomorrow. If na your first time to join my channel with this channel, and the meetings they happen, you understand? The meetings they happen, I tell you gist about tech, and I tell you meetings they happen. I don't talk am for the beginning before, but I don't want to log am. Subscribe to this channel so that when next I post video like this, you will be the first person to watch am. Thank you.